Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install your badass tent utility bracket that mounts to the spare tire. This particular one has the upgraded non-vibration kit on it for a set of Tread Pros that we're going to put on it. It's a super simple install. This little bracket has two cutouts, one on this side and one on that side. That is for the ratchet strap to go through. I'm gonna set this on the top so it's easier to work with. The tire will do all the holding for me. Another thing you wanna do is make sure that the ratchet strap is up against the tire like that. If you do it like this, you're gonna have to spin it around, you won't be able to tighten it up. So I'm gonna weave this through. Go around the tire. Got my ratchet strap. Go. Just since I got the camera set up that way, we'll do it this way. Get it wherever you want on the tire that's gonna work for your needs. Oh boy, need an extra hand, I think. There you go. Ratchet strap it down, easy peasy. You know what, we'll put the treads on just for the video. What we did is took the apparatus here, this cargo shelf, or I want to call it cargo shelf, this utility mount. We have some rubber bumpers that we bolt to it, and then the tread goes on there and you can crush it on. And that way you get a nice clean fit. It won't vibrate real bad going down the road. I'm gonna grab some treads, I'll be right back. Ba-boom. Here we go. Did I get lucky? Am I gonna get lucky and these holes are gonna line up for me? Probably not. Oh, maybe, and maybe not. Oh, perfect. So those studs stick out. You can mount your treads to it, or you can use that utility plate for anything else that you need. All right, it was a quick install, and I'll see you guys on the next one.